10 ways to get people to respect you. Ever wondered when people will start respecting you and how you can make people respect you or gain respect? Respect is something that everyone desires in their lives. Everyone wants their colleagues, friends, family members and others to appreciate and recognize what they do. However, earning respect from others is difficult. When someone is being respected, then people take them more seriously and follow their words. If you want to know how to gain respect, we have compiled a list of 10 tips that will make people respect you. But first, let's discuss why people disrespect you. Before we start, if you don't want to miss out my latest video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell too. 1. People take you too casually and lightly. One of the main reasons why people disrespect you is because they treat you too casually and friendly. They see you as immature and know your weaknesses, so they take advantage of you, and you become an object to be disrespected. 2. You don't preach what you advise others. Another reason why people disrespect you is that you don't preach what you say. When you advise someone about something and ask them to follow it, or even if you comment about something and don't follow the same thing in your life and activities, then people take your words casually and do not respect you. 3. Your approach towards people is rude. Respect and kindness go hand in hand. Give respect and take respect. If you are not kind and polite, accepting respect is not at all appropriate. No one will respect you if you approach people rudely. Rudeness always ruins everything. Learn to respect others first and then expect it from them. If you are unable to change your nature, seek help from an anger management counselor and participate in anger management therapy. 4. You never fulfill promises. Another thing that makes people disrespect you is that you never keep your promises. Fulfilling commitments and promises to make you worthy of respect, but you are unable to do so. People do not take you seriously. It could be one of the signs that you need a psychologist, hence, they start disrespecting you. Now, when you are aware of why people may disrespect you, you can easily work on how to gain respect. Here are some of the tips on how to get people respect you and how to gain respect. 1. Be an active listener and attentive. Listening is always better than speaking. Being an active listener and paying attention to what others are saying improves your image, resulting in people respecting you. Remembering what people say and trying to hear out others instead of speaking and ignoring them will earn you respect in the end. 2. Try to understand others' points of view and other perspectives. Understanding other people's points of view and perspectives will not only broaden your awareness and knowledge, but it will also earn you the respect of others. Having an open mind will make you appear mature and deserving of respect. Just stop worrying and start living your life and always understand others. 3. Try to be kind and polite to anyone you meet. Polite and kind nature earns a lot of appreciation and respect. Don't stop being kind and polite to everyone you meet, even your enemies. You, yourself will witness that people think highly of you and you are being respected by everyone, but don't overdo it to the point where it looks fake. 4. Always be honest and stick to what you say. Everyone is taught from childhood to be honest. Stick to what you say and preach what you say. Be truthful with your words. Speak something only if you can follow and walk on the same steps. This will earn you respect, and always respect those who respect you. 5. Speak when it is needed and after everybody has told their views. After everyone in the group has finished speaking, listen to everyone and analyze their views and points, and then only speak. Speak at last, but speak logically and have weight in your words. This will make people think you are mature and you will be respected. 6. Fulfill the promises you make and never run away from the commitments you make. If you make any promise or commit to someone, never run away from it. Fulfilling what you promise and commit earns you a lot of respect, and it is a very effective mantra on how to earn respect from people. Always make those promises only which you can fulfill. 7. Laugh over yourself when it is required. Learn to laugh at yourself and your flaws. Instead of feeling humiliated when others point out your flaws, laugh over them. The days you learn to laugh over yourself, is the day people can't use them against you and you will earn respect. People should always give respect and take respect. 8. Learn to respect others before receiving theirs. As previously stated, you receive what you give. Similarly, learn to respect others before expecting them to respect you. This is the golden rule that will help you gain others' respect. So, try to be respectful to make yourself a human to be respected. 9. Accept changes that you witness around you. Accepting changes in your environment and being willing to adjust to them can also help you gain respect from others. Accept changes in all aspects of your life and learn to adapt to them. You will eventually be respected. 10. Try to improve yourself and take others' remarks positively. Try to improve yourself in all aspects, and if someone makes a comment, take it positively. Everyone will respect you if you overcome your weaknesses and become a better person. Learn to improve your focus and concentration all the times. Following the above stated tips will help you on how to make people respect you and follow the concept of give respect, get respect. Respect is a necessity these days. When you show someone respect, they are more likely to stay motivated and happy, and you will receive the same level of respect in return, giving you and the other person a meaningful life. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode.